the previous video we already introduced the NRF module. In this video we will discuss the tools and hardwares required for using this module. The first software is the editor and compiler. For editing and compiling we will use Keel Integrated Development Environment. For compiling libraries we will use libraries provided by the Nordic Semiconductors. For programming the NRF module, we will use Mpro software, and on the hardware side, we will use Mpro burner. This burner has 10 pins and it uses the serial peripheral interface SPI to program the NRF module. We have made two NRF boards so that we can use the IO pins of the NRF module. The NRF module works on 3.3 volt, so we will provide the power from the Mpro burner. The IO pins also works at the 3.3 volt. We have the Mpro burner, the NRF module and the NRF board. First we will plug the Mpro burner through USB cable. Okay, now you can see the LED flashing in the Mpro burner. Now we will install the USB cable driver. This is the product ID and vendor ID we require. It will take some time to install. The installation is completed. Okay, this is the pinout of the NRF module. And this is the product description of the Mpro burner. This is the Mpro burner. This is the pin numbering of the Mpro burner 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The pin description can be found here. The first and second pin are the VCC. The third pin is RTS and so on. It's a connection table that will be between the Mpro burner and the NRF module. Okay. Now we will run the Mpro software. Okay. First we have to select the chip library for the NRF24LE1. In the text box we have to write NRF24LE1. Now we will load the hex file. Okay. Now we will plug the Mpro burner in the hardware NRF board. The NRF module. Okay, the NRF module and the burner are plugged in the NRF board. Now we will try to connect. Okay, read device ID fail. I will check if there is some looseness. Okay, now you will try to reconnect. Now we will try to connect to the NRF module. Okay, it is connected. Now we will write the flash. Okay, flash is written. You can also use the auto button. Okay, the NRF module is successfully programmed. So in our next video, we will use the analog to digital converter of the NRF module. So stay tuned and thank you.